Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Tuesday, second trading day of the week, and I have some updates for you based on my portfolio of swing trades using my profit signal. At the same time, I want to share with you based on last week, market was slightly consolidating, but also it was climbing up slowly, right? In a pretty much tight range. And since yesterday and today is also roughly the same, I do foresee that there might be a very tight range going forward for the rest of this week as well. Maybe even some selling, right? Okay, so let's jump in and I'll give you more updates. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. So since last week, I have a Facebook stop loss, NVDA, and I just closed NVDA and Starbucks today, right? Okay, so why that is the case, you can see over here. Actually, when META trigger, it actually hit my stop loss. Now it has triggered again. So I'm looking for it to come down a little bit before I get in. If I miss it, then it's okay. Starbucks, it actually triggered much earlier, but apparently it was not a good signal. That's why a valid signal for my profit signal. That's why there wasn't any triangle showing here. So I decided to close it since I'm in profit, right? Okay. And NVDA is a trade that hit my stop loss, right? Okay, last week, and in fact yesterday, right? Okay, it hit my stop loss and I took the loss. But I just closed another one, realizing that my existing trade here is actually should be ongoing. So I'm looking for it to come down a little bit more. I get back in using the setup here. But overall in still looking good because one thing for sure, Apple went much higher, nearer to my take profit level, right? In fact, it might be hitting my take profit level for basically I have one take profit level over here, right? Which is still ongoing trade. Another one is here. So basically, despite taking quite a number of losses, losing trades, right? Okay, overall my equity based on compared with last week is still quite okay, right? Okay, you can see it's still now my equity is about $4,850 plus dollars, and my running profit is now $84, right? Okay, so overall still doing quite okay, right? Especially we can see from here that my equity did not go down much, even though taking a few losses, right? Okay, and that is because Apple went deeper into profits. We can see over here, right? And also Microsoft went deeper into profits as well, and also GE, right? Okay, there is a trade that 3M company that triggered yesterday, right? But I was on cruise, so I didn't trade it, and now it has already moved halfway through, so I'm not taking the trade as of now. If it does comes back down to the entry level, definitely I will and if the trade is still valid, I will want to take the trade, right? Okay, so there's a missed trade here which could have given me more profits over here, and much more profits. And today there was a trade on Amazon as well, but it moved so much higher. By the time I spotted it, it was too late. So there are times where even with the profit signal, because I'm held up with other things, or like everyone else, life commitments, like going on holidays, like me yesterday, and or even focusing on other stuff when it trigger, right? Okay, by the time you see it, if it's too late, can just monitor it for it to fluctuate, because stock prices do fluctuate up and fluctuate down as well. So as long this trade trigger based on the profit signal is still valid, and it does come back near to my entry price, giving me a better risk to reward, I definitely look forward to getting in and taking the trade. So basically, two missed trade likely to be a winning trade, right? Could have brought my account much higher and much better as well. But I'll be monitoring these two trades as well, together with even the other trades, including NVIDIA, GM, and even Google, which I suspect may trigger this week as well, right? Okay, so yeah, overall, despite taking a a few losing trades, and despite missing two very good winning trades, which is now in very good profits, my equity still did not go down, and still doing pretty okay compared with last week, right? It's still doing quite okay despite all these things happening to my account. I would say it's a pretty good thing, right? Human mistakes here and here of not monitoring, focusing well enough, and taking the trade, right? Okay, but equity is still doing quite okay as of now, right? So we can also see the indices slowly creeping higher and higher since last week, right? Okay, and this week is no difference, is still creeping up slowly, even for Nasdaq as well, right? And you can see that a Nasdaq effect triggered yesterday on Monday, right? Yesterday it triggered for a trade to trade up, right? Okay, so which is a good thing, right? Which shows the market could be bullish, and may continue to go higher and higher, right? Okay, so going forward from here, due to the movement since last week, right, I would say there is a higher probability based on the charts technically. Maybe I'll rate it as 60 to 40% for 60% more bullish for it to go higher, right? Okay, and of course we are in December, closing in November December period, and normally during this type of period, the market do go higher as well, right? Okay, I'll be looking in my own personal portfolio to find more trades to go long, to take advantage of the rally that is happening right now, right, since last week, and it may even continue all the way till year end. We'll see how it goes, and that's all from me for my updates, and I'll see you in my next update. See you soon.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.